Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix PI Network app not working. PI Network is a popular crypto mining app that lets users mine PI coins directly from their smartphone. Millions of pioneers use it daily, but sometimes the PI Network may not open, crash, freeze or fail to load properly. And if your PI Network app is not working, do not worry. This video will show you simple and effective fixes step by step. So first you need to make sure your internet connection. PI Network requires a stable internet connection. Switch between the Wi-Fi and the mobile data. You can simply go to your notifications bar here. You can also turn on your airplane mode on and off, avoid slow or public networking. You can restart the app after reconnecting here. Or you can also restart your phone. A quick restart clears temporary glitches, part of your phone. Wait for 10 to 15 seconds, turn it back on and open PI Network again. And also make sure to update your PI Network app. You can simply go to your app store here, find PI Network, and there will be an option for the update if your app is not been updated. And you can tap on the update if available and always use to the official version. And sometimes the issue is not from your site. PI Network server may be on your maintenance. Wait a few minutes and try again. This is common during updates or migration. And that is it. That's how you can fix your PI Network app not working issue. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.